Welcome to INR Auto. The Ram 1500 Limited Night Edition takes the already luxurious and capable limited trim to a new level, combining bold aesthetics with high-end features that make it a standout in the competitive full-size truck market. Designed for those who want performance, luxury, and style, the Night Edition is powered by a choice of two formidable engines. The standard 5.7-liter Hemi 5.8 with eTorque mild hybrid technology, or the optional 3-liter eco-diesel V6 engine. The Hemi delivers an impressive 395 horsepower and 410 pound-foot of torque, providing exceptional towing capabilities of up to 12,750 pounds and improved fuel efficiency. What sets the Night Edition apart is its striking blacked-out design, featuring a darkened grille, black accents on the mirrors, badges, and exhaust tips, as well as 22-inch black aluminum wheels. These elements, paired with available monotone exterior colors, give the truck an aggressive yet refined look. LED headlights, taillights, and a power tailgate further enhance its exterior appeal. Step inside, and the Limited Night Edition dazzles with its premium cabin. Featuring leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front and rear seats, and a suede headliner, it offers unparalleled comfort. The massive 12-inch vertical touchscreen, equipped with Uconnect 5, provides seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and a customizable interface. A premium Harman Kardon audio system ensures an elevated entertainment experience, while advanced safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system provide peace of mind. Starting around $68,000, the Limited Night Edition justifies its price with a mix of utility and luxury rarely seen in the segment. With its combination of rugged capability, high-end finishes, and exclusive blacked-out styling, the Ram 1500 Limited Night Edition is a unique choice for truck buyers who refuse to compromise on performance, aesthetics, or comfort. It's not just a truck, it's a statement on wheels, blending power and sophistication to cater to drivers around the globe. Thanks for watching INR Auto. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.